So here at the top, you can see the plan that Tailor Brands put together for me. I'm on the Essential plan at $199 a year, and underneath it lists everything that it covers. You'll see that my plan includes expedited processing, annual compliance, the operating agreement, funding search, and the business coaching program. And below that, you'll see the state fees. In my case here in Texas, it costs me about $308, and this will vary depending on your state. And it's also worth mentioning that this fee goes directly to the Secretary of State, not to Tailor Brands. Below this, you'll see an option for bookkeeping. This is a 30-day free trial, and it comes on every plan. Keep in mind that after 30 days, it'll come out to $39 a month if you decide to keep it. It's a solid tool if you need invoicing and expense tracking. Below that, you'll see toggles for the EIN and formation kit. Based on my answers, both of these are automatically turned off. If you do decide to change your mind, you can turn them on if you want to. And then at the very bottom here, you'll see the total due today. This shows $199 for the plan. And with my Texas state fee on top of that, my real number today is $507. And then going forward, it's just $199 a year for the Essential plan. So that's the whole picture, and you know exactly where every dollar of everything came from. So whenever you're ready to set up your own LLC, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link at the top of the description. That's going to get you the lowest pricing available. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more clear guides just like this. Congrats on taking the first step towards starting your business, and I'll see you in the next video.